We're gonna eat matcha the entire day. Heading to Uji. Marsha is eating melon bread. She's cheetah.
Nice, ah. 人气。
I'll show you. Beautiful.
So this is our first matcha meal of the day.
Meal.
Matcha item. It's a matcha croquette from a meat store. But there's like no meat inside. Ah! So hot! Okay, yeah, basically that's it. So now we are gonna head to Tsujiri. Hey, something. You see? No. Let's do like this. So this is the matcha ice cream. Wow. Okay, I'm not very sure what is this.
Truffle.
Is it?
Should be, it looks like a truffle.
Tastes like potato. Just had a beautiful matcha brunch, snack, dessert. So we're at the train tracks. Are they judging us really? Really? I don't think so. Sorry, Swaku Singaporeans.
So now we are in Uji and we are taking
Ujis.
Ya pakai. So this is
Dango.
Ayo. Matcha. Dango. Nom-noms.
We ate the lightest one, so maybe the last one is the Moscow.
Hey Marsha, do the come and follow me. Then you walk through that thing. Oh my god. Come bitch. Stupid. Oh my god, you can walk through here.
Yeah.
Okay, but we will not walk through here because we are waiting for our food. Taking photos non-stop. But look at the view. There are instructions on how to eat this. 4 types of paste.
So the first one, right, is to eat it clean. Oh my god. Tasteless. It tastes damn tasteless. We're currently at
Kyoto
temple. It looks like this. But oh my god, I keep not looking at the camera. It looks like this. And then like the Phoenix Hall, which I think is this one, it's not it's under renovation, so like we can't go in. So now we are at the lawn of Fan, which I don't know it means what, but yeah. Let me show you. Number
Okay,
one.
we first ate the cookie, then we ate the dango, then we ate
3, 4,
soba.
5.
Gao because of the matcha powder. Like it's intense, bro.
Turn it. No, that is out of focus. So in Uji, there's like this island thingy, which is over there. U-turn? Oh my god. Yeah, but basically there's an island thing, which is this thingy. Oh my god. I don't know how to move my finger all like this. Yeah. And Marsha's eating her ice cream. Nom 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 noms. She doesn't ever entertain. Oh my god, I'm not looking at the camera again. I'll look at the camera. Okay, let's go. Yep. Anyways, I want a matcha drink, but it's like freaking 1,050 yen, which is 13 bucks. Homegirl ain't got money for that. So we'll try another store, but if we really don't have, I might really just come back here. Yeah, because we are in Uji and I have not drunk any matcha shit yet.
Moments later.
You look like retard. If it tasted like fresh milk, I would laugh so. Idiot, don't curse me. So now we are gonna go up to the observatory. But it's a winding road. Oh, it says 0.3 km. So we finished hiking and now we're at the top. And we have to be really top off. I don't know.
Mount Dakichiyama.
Daikichiyama. Okay, the view is behind.
I don't see the river though.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh my god, I don't know how. It looks pretty good to be honest. Okay, but my camera sucks. Ah, whatever. But then there's more up there, which is an insane walk. Oh, we were up there, somewhere there. Masha taking photos of flowers, probably for her mother, or maybe for herself. We've come to realize that Uji is a very quiet town. Like even now it's so quiet. Yeah. Where's your drink, Masha? Some atas bottle.
But it tastes normal.
Yeah, it doesn't taste very great. We left Uji and now we are here in Kyoto, Kyoto. Point, point, point.
We do the... Eh, fuck, cannot.
Wait, cannot lah.
Can lah.
Yeah, that's all. Now we're gonna go and get dinner. I zoom in now. Look at it. Fun?
Yeah. Pouring pea. Outside not a lot of people.
Some tea rice. Okay, it's eaten halfway, but yeah. And there's this tofu thingy also. This looks very interesting.
Is it good, Masha?
Yep.
Okay. Sesame sauce.
Oh, cool. I'm gonna try the tofu thing. Oh, just normal tofu ah. I thought it was something special. It's not bad. Anyways, I need to end day 2's vlog. So, this is goodbye. Bye!
No, it's like that.
And leave your hand there. 1, 2, 3, bye! Okay, 1, 2, 3. Bye!